Tyme Group has hit unicorn status. This comes after it raised $250 million in its latest funding round, boosting the firm's valuation to $1.5 billion. Looking ahead, the digital lender is expanding in Southeast Asia, eyeing Indonesian acquisitions. Backed by Patrice Motsepe's African Rainbow Capital, Tyme Group aims for an IPO by 2028, targeting 30% return on equity in South Africa. Telkom has been given the green light by the Independent Communications Authority of SA for the disposal of its masts and towers business. A consortium consisting of an infrastructure fund managed by a subsidiary of Actis and an infrastructure vehicle 100% owned by Royal Bafokeng Holdings will buy the asset. The deal carries a price tag of 6.7 billion rand. Metair has wrapped up the acquisition of Autozone. That's as it's been given regulatory approval for the deal. Autozone is currently in business rescue, and Metair will focus on turning the firm around. It says the deal will allow it to grow its automotive aftermarket businesses. This aligns with Metair's strategy to diversify its remaining operations after the looming sale of its Turkish company Mutlu Akku. That transaction is expected to generate around $5 million, which is lower than initially forecast due to hyperinflation and high interest rates in Turkey. Sirius Real Estate has completed the acquisition of a development site in Munich for 13.3 million euros. The site is adjacent to its Munich Nobing business park. CEO Andrew Coombs says the transaction offers significant operational synergies as well as the potential to unlock meaningful value. Jubilee Metals says unplanned power outages in Zambia have caused a noticeable increase in the number of production hours lost at its Roan facilities. The diversified metals processor is liaising closely with government officials to try and manage as far as possible the timings of outages and recommencements of power, as this allows for some cost to be avoided. But given the situation, Jubilee is uncertain whether guidance production volumes will be met for the second quarter. More information on that will be provided in due course.